Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Muskan and I post fashion, lifestyle, lookbooks, skincare, makeup related videos. If you are someone who likes such stuff, do remember to subscribe to my channel and with that press the bell icon so that you guys are notified whenever I post a new video. So coming back to today's topic, today we are going to talk about a hair care routine. As we all know, this is pandemic time, and this is some sort of period or some time where you can't go out because of some rules and regulations by government, or also to take care of your health, you should not go out. To be very honest, I have been at home from past like almost 2 3 months, 2 months at least. I haven't stepped out, literally not for even a minute. So for your safety you should not go out, and in this time taking care of yourself is very important. So talking about taking care of hairs, you can't go to the parlor, salon, wherever you go generally for your hair treatments or anything, spas and all, but you can do some DIYs which are very quick and simple, which I generally prefer to do, and you can make your hair very smooth, strong, as well as you can solve all hair related problems easily at home. Okay, I'll be very honest with you guys. I'll tell you, I had long hairs till January end, or you can say mid February. On 24th February, I got a haircut done. My hair length was till my waistline. I honestly don't know why I did so. Now I regret, but I did that. And I got a haircut done, and it was like almost around the length which I told them to cut was this, and they cut till here. And so you can approximately count it as a shoulder length. And from there, like 24th February and today is 19th May, almost 1.5 months, I got this much length increased in just 1.5 months. To be very honest, I'm saying strictly to not to stick a single product or any single brand. I use this DIY and I have seen the result. To be exactly precise with the process, I'll be sharing the whole process with you further in this video. But in short, this is very simple process of oiling, head mask, you can say hair mask, then head wash. Simple. Also, one more important thing I want to make sure you guys know it is, this is a weekly routine, but that doesn't mean that you guys are going to wash your hair only once a week. You don't have to do that. You have to wash your hair at least twice, but this routine has to be followed only once. Why? Because you are using a hair mask, and that has to be done only once a week. Simple. But head wash has to be done minimum twice, because reason is, during summers what happens is, our scalp releases oil, also sweat is there, and due to all this our hair does not have that much power to retain themselves, and we face problems of hair falls, dandruff, and then split ends, and all these problems step by step arises, and we face the problem, and our hair are not anymore shiny, no more stronger. All these problems are created after this. So I preferably want you guys to know that you need to wash your hair at least twice a week, so that you keep your scalp and your hair clean. And talking about this procedure, this has to be done only once a week. So without any further ado, let's get into the procedure. So first step, what comes is oiling. For oiling, for creating our own DIY oil, what we need is, the most important ingredient is fenugreek seeds. What are they? Fenugreek seeds are also called as methi dana. Wait, I'll show you how does it look. It is something in yellow color seeds. So how does this look is, these are yellow color seeds. If these are, wait, I'll show you. These are something like this, yellow color seeds, if you can see. So yeah, so these are methi dana. This is the most important ingredient you need for your own DIY oil. This helps your hair a lot to become strong enough to hold them. And then you need further oils. Now what I mean by oils is, you need 3 types of oils. You need to mix 3 types of oils. First is coconut oil, then mustard oil, and castor oil. If you guys are having olive oil at your home, do add that. It will add its essence to it, and it is good only for your hairs. So if you don't, that is an exceptional thing, that is not compulsory. So if you have it, you can add it or else leave it. So after adding these 3 oils, remember these 3 oils has to be added in equivalent quantity, and that is 2 spoons. For 2 spoons for each oil. But castor oil is quite thick in quantity, so you need to add only 1 spoon, and that will work good for you. And what else I was saying, also after this, what you need to do is, there are 2 procedures. One, that is, you can add these 3 oils and add these seed, approximately a spoon, so that will work. And you need to put it for an overnight, so that these seeds release their essence, their good qualities into that oil. When you apply, that helps your hair, so that they can help it. You can keep it overnight, or secondly what you can do is double boiler process. Now what is double boiler process is, you need to heat a bowl and add water. When water gets boiled, you need to add the container in which you added these 3 oils and the seeds. When you put this container, that small bowl, into that water, it will get heated up with the heat of the water. So that is double boiler. You don't need to heat the oil directly, that will not help you. that oil then becomes useless for your hair. That is not good. So remember to do it double boilers. Also, hot oil is very essential for your hair scalp. That makes your hair more stronger. So I prefer doing this by heating the oil. That is double boiler process. Overnight wala you can do it. But that is only when you are doing but when you do overnight, then what happens is you are applying the oil in the morning. If you don't have to go out, like in this current situation, you can do this, there is no issue. But after applying this in morning, then you have to leave it for 3 hours, and then only you can go for further process. So let's start with this. We'll make our oil. Already I have added these flex seeds and mustard oil and castor oil. Only now what I need to add is coconut oil, and with that I am adding these 2 spoons, and then we'll give it a good stir. And now we'll put this on double boiler. After getting done with this oil which we prepared, we have to start oiling our hair. For that, what I preferably do is first I'll apply as a base on my hair, because I don't directly apply oil. This is optional, completely optional. It's your choice if you want. What I've taken is this is aloe vera gel. I've taken this aloe vera gel and I'm adding some gulab gel to this. This is gulab gel. Okay, struggles. And we'll add a little bit of it, and precisely we'll mix it with our hands only. You don't need to have a lot, because you don't need to apply a lot. This has to be applied only on your scalp. You don't need to add this on your length. So what you do is you'll just mix it. If you can see the shine, yeah, so you'll just apply it by just tapping in your, and then this. Now we'll start applying oil into our hair. So for that, what you need, see the trick. There is no trick. You only thing what you need to remember is you need to use your tips, fingertips. You'll dip it into the oil and then directly apply in your roots with your fingertips. You don't need to do this, because this makes your hair loosen its strength. So I'll apply this into my roots with my fingertips. First you need to cover all your roots, and then what next you do is you will go to the length of your hair slowly. Remember, don't run comb through it, because at this moment they are very delicate and they'll come off. So only with help of your hands you need to tie them. Either you can go in, tie and into a bun. Simple. So after this we have second stage of hair mask. We'll meet tomorrow after an overnight process. Currently it's 10 and I'll complete my work, and then So I wanted to say something. After filming the whole video, I suddenly realized that it's already been so long video. It was approximately went up till 25 minutes or 30 minutes. I tried converting it to short length, but still it was 15 to 17 minutes. So I decided to divide the video into 2 halves, and here the first half ends where I have completed the oiling process. Further, I'll be put almost after 2 to 3 days I'll be posting my next part of this video, which will completely cover the rest 2 parts, that is hair mask and head wash, with the applying procedure as well, and it's DIY. Till then, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, share, comment. Your suggestions are most welcome. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.